The 2021 GMC Yukon's new first-class interior features a power-sliding center console, available on Denali, AT4 and SLT. The main storage console between the driver and passenger seats can slide back up to 10 inches, offering an expansive storage area that enhances overall storage flexibility and organization. When the console slides back, drivers gain access to an open space for a purse or a bag, and an additional hidden drawer underneath the console's main storage bin, which provides secure storage and additional peace of mind.